Hey guys, welcome back to Kira's Closet. Today we will do Fix This Slime Challenge. Okay guys, this is the slime. It's like a gray. It is deactivated, as you can tell. It's just not that great. So okay, so we will light this up with white paint. Okay, so now it's all lightened up, and now we are going to use some foam beads. So now, it's all foamy, I don't know. And now we're going to turn it into purple. Okay guys, it looks great. And now we are going to use all of this glitter. Okay guys, I think it looks beautiful. And I put these like larger ones on top. And I love it so much. So much glitter. I love it. And yeah.